Hello students, in this class we learn how to reduce number of points from the trace image. I have this reference image. First I move this reference image from the artboard because this image has white color background. So I move here and then click on the image trace button that available in the properties menu. So I click on this and choose 3 color because this image has 3 color, and now image is traced, and then click on the expand button and then ungroup this first and delete this outside area. So select this and then delete. Now I select this white color shape and then move in the right side by click and drag, but this white color shape has some other areas. So first I undo and then click on the magic wand tool and then click on this white color shape. So all the part of this shape is selected and then move in the right side. Now I select these remaining shape and then unite. Now this shape is unite, and if you want to see the points, choose direct selection tool and then select this shape. So these are points, and if you want to reduce the number of these points, you can choose simplify tool, and this tool available in the object menu. So I click on this in the path section, click on the simplify tool. It's a simplified version of this tool. Only one slider is available here, and by moving this slider you can reduce the number of points, and here you can see the changes in the curve. So I move in the right side little bit, and if you want to access other parameter related to this tool, click on these 3 dots. So other tool is expand now, and here you can change the angle for these points, and this slider related to number of points, and by clicking on this checkbox you can see original and newly created path, and by using you can judge the difference between original and newly created path. So check this, and here you can see the difference between number of points in the original and newly created shape. So first I move this slider in the left side, and here you can see the changes in these areas. I move little bit more, so more changes is created and shape also change, but I recommend you leave this on the 75%. So number of point will reduce, but the curvature shape is also remains same, and then click on the OK button. So point is reduced now, and same as you can also apply on this shape. So first I select this shape and then unite first, and then go to object, and in the path, click on the simplify. I think this shape is not selected, so select this first and then simplify, and then click on these 3 dots, and here you can see the difference between original and newly created shape points, and then click on the OK button. So it's a easiest way to reduce the number of points. I hope you like this tutorial. For more tips and trick related videos, subscribe my channel and hit on the notification bell icon. Now we meet in the next video.